Hello guys, my name is Abhishek and in today's video I am going to show you Xampp server installation. So first of all I am going to explain you the terms Xampp, lampp and Wampp. So basically lampp is used for Linux and Wampp is used for Windows. And the third one which we are going to install on this machine is Xampp. In here Xampp X represents all operating systems. It can be used for all operating systems. So I am going to just quickly show you the installation for Xampp server. So basically you need to go to the Google Chrome and search the Xampp download. By searching this you will get a website. Go to that website and download this file which I have already downloaded on this machine. In the download section, this file Xampp Linux. So basically I am on a Linux machine, so I will use the Xampp Linux installation. So this is the .run file. So go ahead and open a terminal in this directory and type the following command. So it needs to be a sudo user for this installation. So basically type the command with sudo in front of him and enter your password. So it will pop up a new window. So go ahead and click next and install all the things that is in the installation setup. So after installing this you will get a new folder which is in your computer opt and the lampp directory. See the path, it is in the your home /opt/lampp folder. So basically now what you need to do is go to your terminal again here for starting the server. Now you have finished the installation. Now you have to start the server. So for that you need to type the following commands. So go to your terminal and type sudo. Again you have to use sudo here, sudo /. I will show you the files. So basically what you need to do is run this file. So .run, whichever is .run, you have to run that. So I am going to copy now here and run it with the sudo command /. And type the password. So after installation you will get this window. So start the server. Here you will see the status of the Xampp server. So basically start the Apache web server and the MySQL database. So now we are going to test this server. So basically again go to your browser and type localhost in it. So we have successfully installed Xampp server, and now we will check the PHP MySQL client. So this is it. So now you can see here, you can create database, edit database, and basically you can use it for the PHP MySQL connection. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Like if you like the video. Thank you.